Okay, so more final exam review questions. G equals 5 over 3b plus 20, and it asks you on this one to solve for b. So just put solve for b. So you're solving for a variable that is not straightforward. How do you manipulate the equation so that you can find b? Subtract 20. Good idea. Here, do it in red. Do it in red. And stand to the side. Subtract 20. Good stuff. Everybody do this, please. At the same time, you're going to get g minus 20 equals 5 over 4b. Come on over here. G minus 20 equals 5 over 4b. Now, most people can get that. But what would you do to find b now?
Divide by 5 over 4.
Right, which is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So multiply by 4 over 5. So multiply by 4 over 5 on this side. Put a big bracket around the g minus 20. There you go. And then 4 over 5. Yeah, 4 over 5. Yeah, do it again. 4 over 5. Now, what happens is that these cancel. That's why we chose 4 over 5, because you multiply by the reciprocal. So these cancel. Katie, go ahead and just cancel those. The 4 and the 4 cancel, the 5 and the 5 cancel. You're left with b equals, right? B equals. And all I'm doing now is just putting the b on this side. 4 over 5 times g minus 4 over 5 times 20. 4 over 5g minus
20.
4 over 5 times 20. So
Why?
we're distributing it. You could do it either way. You could leave it as this, or you could actually just distribute it. Equals 4/5 g minus 80 over 5, which equals, I don't know, what's 80 over 5? It's probably going to be 18, right?
You don't have to do that.
Okay, b equals 4/5 g minus
16.
minus 16. 4/5 g minus 16. Okay? So we're simplifying it. Put a box around it, and we're done. All right?
Why did you multiply though?
Well, you don't have to, or you can put or, Katie, or 4/5, and then brackets g minus 20. In this case, either one of those is acceptable. I just wanted to make sure you saw both cases. All right? So those kind of questions will be on the final as well. All right? Any questions? So we're solving by clearing fractions. The reason I'm wearing this is because the Anaheim Ducks won the Stanley Cup last night. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Southern California, first time. Okay. So 5/16 y plus 3/8 y equals 2 plus 1/4 y. We solve this by clearing the fraction. So we multiply by 16. Multiply by 16. And that cancels, so we're left with 5y. That equals 2, because 8 goes into 16 twice, plus 3y equals 32 plus, okay, so that's equal to 32 plus, now over here, 4 goes into 16 4 times. And now we're left with just collecting like terms. And we subtract 4 on both sides, 4y.
I think I told him all those things.
We're left with 4y equals 32, and y equals 8. And that's our final answer. So in this one, we had to clear the main thing of this one was choosing 16 to multiply through by. When we do that, the bottoms cancel, because 16 was engineered to do that. 16 times 2 is 32. And then you solve, collect like terms. You got it. It's called solve by clearing fractions, and that's all about finding the right number to multiply through by.